Fishing at Mill Lake for some trout, rainbow trout, stocked by the Fishery Society of BC. There's the boys, my friends, going on their boats, as you can see them. I just caught a rainbow trout earlier today with a power bait offshore, and it's a beautiful day. A little bit of overcast, windy, cloudy. Mill Lake Park in Abbotsford B.C. has recently been stocked, and we're looking for some fish. Enjoy the view. Beautiful lake. It's a urban fishery for level entry anglers, and yeah, we're hoping to get some fish. One more fish, because it's all about catching fish. I love the outdoors, I love the nature, and I hope you enjoy it. And I have a shitty camera, so please forgive me. I can't videotape and fish at the same time, so just a little bit of Mill Lake fishing, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.